Disclaimer. This video was created with the assistance of artificial intelligence. AI can make mistakes. This content is for educational purposes only.
Welcome back. Our About section is complete. Now let's build a modern services section for Dev Technology Solutions. Let's create our services section. Here, we'll showcase everything Dev Technology Solutions offers to clients. Next, we'll add modern service cards. Now let's create 3 modern service cards. Next, we'll style these cards with modern CSS. Clean spacing, rounded corners, and shadows create a modern professional design. Now let's style the description and learn more button for a clean, professional user experience. Let's add hover effects. Smooth animations make our service cards more interactive and professional. Now let's make our services section responsive. It will look perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Great job! Our services section is complete. In part 6, we'll build a modern project section. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.